In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly on the go, juggling work, social life, and endless digital distractions. But amidst this hustle and bustle, are we neglecting something crucial? What if I told you that the answer lies in something as simple as what you eat and drink? Let's talk about vitamin B1, or thiamine. It's essential for energy production, nerve function, and overall well-being. Yet many of us are falling short. How can I tell if I'm deficient in vitamin B1? Pay attention to symptoms like fatigue, irritability, and weakness. But remember, prevention is key. It's time to prioritize our health and nourish our bodies with the nutrients they need. Stay tuned as we explore more ways to thrive in today's world. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on health and wellness. Let's start with number 1, fatigue and weakness. Do you often find yourself feeling perpetually drained, as if every task takes twice the effort? Picture your body as a car running low on fuel. Vitamin B1, or thiamine, acts as the energy ignition switch in your metabolic engine. Without it, the process of converting food into energy hits a roadblock. This deficiency leaves you with persistent fatigue and weakness, making even the simplest activities feel like uphill battles. Next, number 2, loss of appetite. Have you noticed your appetite dwindling, leaving you with little interest in food? Imagine vitamin B1 as the conductor orchestrating your body's hunger symphony. It plays a crucial role in supporting your nervous system's smooth function, which includes regulating your appetite. When your body lacks sufficient thiamine, this symphony becomes discordant, and your appetite signals get crossed. The result? A diminished desire to eat, potentially leading to weight loss that catches you off guard. 3. Weight loss. While shedding a few pounds might sound appealing, unexplained weight loss can be concerning. Vitamin B1 isn't just about energy. It's also a behind-the-scenes player in your metabolism. When your body lacks enough thiamine, your metabolic processes can go haywire, leading to an unintended shedding of pounds. However, this weight loss is often accompanied by other unwelcome symptoms, making it essential to address the deficiency promptly. 4. Nausea and vomiting. Do you frequently battle waves of nausea and unexpected bouts of vomiting? Imagine vitamin B1 as the engine regulator of your digestive system. When this regulator malfunctions due to a deficiency, it's like trying to drive a car with a hiccuping engine. It just won't run smoothly. This disruption in your digestive system can leave you feeling queasy, with frequent episodes of nausea and vomiting that disrupt your daily routine. 5. Muscle pain and tenderness. Have your muscles transformed into tightly wound knots, causing discomfort and tenderness? Vitamin B1 plays a vital role in maintaining healthy nerve function. Think of your nerves as the threads that hold your muscles together. When thiamine levels are insufficient, these threads become frayed, leading to muscle pain and tenderness that make even simple movements uncomfortable. Go to number 6, tingling or numbness in extremities. Have you ever experienced a tingling sensation or pins and needles feeling in your hands or feet? Vitamin B1 deficiency can wreak havoc on your nerves, similar to a wire fraying in an electrical circuit. As a result, you might experience tingling or numbness in your extremities, giving you the sensation that your hands and feet are asleep, even when they're not. 7. Confusion and memory problems. Is your mind shrouded in a fog, making it difficult to remember even the simplest things? Imagine vitamin B1 as a key player in your cognitive orchestra. Low levels of thiamine can disrupt this harmonious performance, leading to memory issues and mental confusion. It's like trying to recall information while peering through a hazy veil, with thoughts slipping through your fingers like sand. 8. Irritability and mood swings. Do you find yourself on an emotional roller coaster, swinging between irritability and moodiness? Vitamin B1 deficiency can disrupt the production of neurotransmitters, which are the messengers that regulate your mood and emotions. When these messengers misfire due to thiamine shortage, you might find yourself teetering between emotional extremes, like a roller coaster careening off its tracks. 9. Difficulty walking or coordination issues. Have you noticed your once steady gait becoming wobbly, or experienced challenges in maintaining coordination? Imagine vitamin B1 as the conductor of your body's symphony of movement. When this conductor goes missing, your movements can resemble a tightrope walker navigating gusty winds. Balance becomes precarious, and even walking can feel like an unpredictable dance. If you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you never miss a new upload. We share helpful health information and tips to help you live your healthiest life. 10. Rapid heartbeat or tachycardia. Is your heart racing without a clear reason? Think of vitamin B1 as the conductor of your heart's rhythm section. When this conductor is absent, your heart's beats can become erratic and rapid, akin to a drum solo played at a breakneck pace. This tachycardia can leave you feeling as though your heart is racing to catch up with an invisible beat. Go to number 11, digestive problems, constipation or diarrhea. Are you experiencing irregular bowel movements, swinging between constipation and diarrhea? Consider vitamin B1 as the traffic controller of your digestive highway. When this controller malfunctions, it's like trying to navigate a road system without proper signals. Digestive problems like constipation and diarrhea can arise, disrupting your daily routine. 12. Swollen and tender calves. Have you noticed your calves swelling up and becoming tender to the touch? Imagine vitamin B1 as the fluid balance regulator in your body. When this regulator falters, fluid retention can lead to swollen calves that feel as tender as an overfilled water balloon. This discomfort can affect your mobility and overall comfort. 13. Sensitivity to light. Are bright lights unbearable to your eyes? Vitamin B1 deficiency can affect your optic nerves, which are responsible for transmitting visual signals to your brain. Without proper thiamine levels, these signals can get distorted, leading to increased sensitivity to light. It's like trying to stare directly into the sun without proper eye protection. Number 14. We have dry and cracked lips. Are your lips perpetually dry and cracked? Imagine vitamin B1 as the moisture manager of your body. When thiamine levels are low, your lips can become as parched as a desert in need of rain. They lose their natural moisture, leaving them chapped and uncomfortable. 15. Skin rashes and lesions. Have you noticed unexplained skin issues cropping up? Picture vitamin B1 as the artist responsible for your skin's canvas. In the absence of sufficient thiamine, this artist's strokes become wild and unpredictable, leading to skin rashes and lesions that resemble an abstract masterpiece gone awry. 16. Breathing difficulties. Do you feel as though you can't catch your breath, even in calm surroundings? Consider vitamin B1 as the conductor of your respiratory symphony. When this conductor stumbles, your lung function can falter, leaving you feeling as though you're gasping for air, even in moments of tranquility. The last at number 17, eye problems and vision disturbances. Are you grappling with blurred vision or other eye-related problems? Think of vitamin B1 as the guardian of your eye's clarity. In the absence of proper thiamine levels, your vision can become obscured, akin to peering through a foggy window that blurs the world around you. So there you have it, 17 clues that your body might be sending you, signaling a potential vitamin B1 deficiency. Remember, your body isn't just a machine, it's a finely tuned orchestra that needs all its instruments to play harmoniously. If any of these signs resonate with you, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Your well-being is worth the attention. Thanks for tuning in to this exploration of vitamin B1's vital role in your vitality journey. If you found this video insightful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, take care and keep nurturing your body's symphony of health.